This is a video regarding your assessment 2 in Form 5, which involving trigonometric function graphing. So this assessment require you to graphing an interesting picture. So your task is to create an oversum image using several functions. So take the time to think about something that interesting and creative. So make sure to include the following aspect. So first one, must use at least 3 types of trigo function: sin, cos, tangent, or absolute value, or the other graph that you ever learned before. So among the function draw must have at least one shift. At least one shift meaning that need to go up or go down the graph. And then you can include other function graphs such as linear graph, quadratic graph, cubic graph, reciprocal graph, circle, and so on in drawing the picture. So at least need to have 3 types. So the accuracy, your final product, please use graph paper and label the axis. So try to have interesting and colorful one. Must show all the function in the graph. Must show all the intersection point. So how to get the intersection point? You can use the Desmos to get the graph, and the intersection point to check your graph accuracy. And then write your reflection. What is the IB learner profile that you use to complete this assessment? And then what you need to hand in. Number 1 is the graph that you draw. Number 2 is the graph or diagram that you get from Desmos to do comparison. Number 3, all the equation involved. Number 4 is your reflection. So this is the sample of the graph that you can produce like this. This one is a fish. So you see, you have y equal to sin x. So plus 2, sin x plus 2 already shifting. Y equal to sin x plus 5, shifting again, go up, go up, go up, and so on. And then this is the linear equation, y equals to 16. Linear equation, y equal to negative 2x plus 7, y equal to 2x plus 13. All this is linear equation. And then you have a quadratic equation, y equal to add bracket x plus 1.5 power 2 plus 16. So this one is the one already completing the square involving this part. And also this part also is a quadratic equation, this part for the eyes here. And then this one is the quadratic equation that we have just now. So you can set the range. This is Desmos, right? So example, if I need y equal to sin x, so I set the range like this. I key in the equation. After that, I set the range with curly braces, x from what to what. And then example, I want to draw another one. Then I draw the similar equation with the range. I set 0x until 7. So now maybe I put shifting. So let's say plus 1. Then I have this line. If I think that this part is, I don't need that long, let's say I maybe only need 0.5, then I set the range like this. So the graph will be shortened like this. So this is the way how you set the range. You can try to play around with the Desmos calculator. Just go desmos.com/calculator to draw the graph.